Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin with clean, moisturized skin. Make sure moisturizer is absorbed for about 60-90 seconds so primer adheres. Take 0.5 to 1 pump of Fit Me primer and place small dots on your forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. Using your fingertips or a damp 1/4 sponge, press and gently sweep the primer outward. Don't drag, so you create a thin, even veil. This first layer fills pores and controls shine. Once applied, let it sit for a few seconds before moving on. Once done with the initial pass, assess where you need more control. If you have oily areas, apply a light extra dot to the T-zone only. Use tapping and pressing motions to blend. This preserves the primer's pore-filling effect and prevents streaks. Avoid aggressive rubbing, which thins the layer. If you need more smoothing on cheeks or around the nose, add a tiny amount and retap. Make sure to wait 30 to 45 seconds for the primer to set to a slightly tacky finish before you start foundation. You finish by applying foundation with a damp sponge and pressing it into the primed skin. This locks both layers together and extends wear. If you see pilling, stop, gently blot excess product with a tissue, then apply about 1/4 pump of primer very thinly to the area and reblend. For dry patches, mix 1 drop of moisturizer into your pump of primer before application to prevent flaking. Finally, make sure powders are applied sparingly. Heavy powder can veil the primer's smoothing effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.